Hello guys, today I would like to introduce to you one of the strongest AI face swap software on the whole network, Face Alive. This is our operation page. The software supports live real-time face change, video real-time face change, picture face change, screen capture face change. The software also supports real-time voice change, one-click background change. I can choose Chinese. Foreign friends can choose English version. All are possible, do not affect the use. The first area to introduce is the input original section, and I will take you to understand one function after another. The first is the camera. We can use the external camera as our input source. For example, we can use the computer camera, mobile phone, or camera to shoot our face for real-time face swapping. And then we can carry out face swap live broadcast and other operations. The second is the video face swap function, that is, we import a video, the face swap of the people in the video, and the third is the picture face swap function. It is our software, which can replace the face in the picture with one click. The face in the picture can be replaced with one click, and the fourth is to capture and change the face. This function is mainly to capture our computer desktop. An application is live broadcasting. An application is broadcasting. Directly capture our Douyin live broadcast room to real-time face change and then broadcast. This is the software that many live broadcast companies are using. The second thing to introduce is that the area on the right is the real-time voice changing function. The area is that we can change the voice in real time, such as boys to girls, girls to boys, and we can also improve and beautify our voices through voice training. Or we can improve the effect of singing by beautifying our voices during the live talent show, etc. The third thing to introduce is that the middle area is our preview area, and the first window on the left is the preview window of our original input. If we are the camera input, each window will display the picture of our camera. And if we input the original input as a video, this will display the original video screen. The second window is the preview window for our AI software to capture and recognize our facial features, and the third window is the model face recognition window, which is the face preview window of the object we want to replace. The fourth window is the preview window after our AI face swap, which will be displayed in this window when the software runs and the face swap is completed. The fourth one to introduce is our AR one-click background change function. When we are live broadcasting, we can change the background we have prepared in advance, such as live broadcast in snowy weather, or we can change just to live broadcast at the beach. As long as we prepare our live broadcast background in advance, we can change our face through AR with one click. The fifth one to introduce is the face recognition detection area. This plate is used when there are two or more people in the picture. When we change faces, we can lock the owner we want to change the face through this plate, to lock the owner we want to change the face, and there will be no confusion. The sixth one to introduce is the beautification function section. Our software integrates the beautification function section. We can adjust our facial features through this beautification function. For example, we can adjust the chin or eye distance to achieve the features of our face. The seventh is our region. This is the model file storage section of Face Alive, which is where we want to change the display position of the model. If we want to change the model, we just have to click on the name of the model in it. The eighth one to introduce is the template adjustment module. This feature is very important in our software, and we usually use this AI face swapping software to adjust the area frequently. After we change the face, when the face of the changed face does not meet our requirements, we use this to adjust this area, including we can adjust our face covering, we can adjust the color difference of the face. If our model training is not good enough, and the effect of face replacement is not clear, we can turn on super resolution repair to improve the clarity of our face, etc. The ninth one to introduce is this area. The main thing is that our software can adjust the size of the preview window when drawing a good face, or we can display the comparison between our original video screen and the new face video at the same time. The 10th thing to introduce is the function of the recording section. When we change the face of the video, we can record the changed face in real time, or when we change the face of the picture with one click, we can directly save the picture we drew and save it to the folder we specified. The 11th one to introduce is the live streaming section. This function allows us to push our window to the live broadcast platform in real time when the real-time face swap or video face swap is completed. For example, during live streaming, we can push live streams in real time through OBS software or the push URL of the live streaming platform. The last area is the display area of the software in our software work, so you don't need to know about it. Finally, the above is the basic function of our Face Alive live face swapping software. The interface of the software is actually very simple. You can download it by yourself to familiarize yourself with the operation, and you can get started soon. If there are any problems in the process of use, you can leave a message in the comment area. The software is internal software, not open source software, and it is also the strongest software on the whole network.